In the absence of him having a board, and in the absence of the Act having regulations, the Cabinet Secretary should be busy with the Parliament to ensure regulations are approved. Public participation is a must. You'll have to listen to us. We all talk the same table until the regulations are approved by Parliament. Until Fazul has a board, he must stop recklessness or must be stopped. And I want you to understand as well, we have no problem with the regulator. We have no problem with being regulated.
The Industry Association has over 100 companies that employ more than 20,000, not even more than 50,000 security officers. The same applies to Protective and Safety Association of Kenya. So, in the actual sense, we are the biggest associations that provide jobs to our staff. Just to avoid of down, there are things that we need to clarify. Number one, we love our staff. There's that notion that people have created that we as employers, we don't love our guards. We really love our guards because they are the guys who are on the ground. They are our foot soldiers. So somebody cannot come and allege that our staff, we have no welfare for them. Secondly, with the issue of if implemented, we are going to lose 700 jobs. 7,000 jobs. 700,000 jobs. Now, if these guys are going to lose 700,000 jobs, my colleague will tell you very clearly that these guys know security. They are going to become what? Security risk in the security industry. We are concerned that a few players have come.
And professional security. As we learn, professional security is not watchmen. So when the things are being said or being done, there are things that should being separated. The ones that should come to us are for professional security team. But for the watchmen, we are not even aware, we are not even involved, and we don't want to know. So that we don't want to be treated like any other employer in the Republic of Kenya. We are equal employer, like Equity Bank or Safaricom. We are equal. We have seen people living at those institutions and coming to us to ask for employment. Even you where you are seated, you never know and you don't even know if tomorrow.
Now